Hi, I'm Eric Usoda from NEPIRC, the Northeastern PA Industrial Resource Center. Every day we work with hundreds of manufacturers from all across the 570 area code. We're celebrating 570 Day by recognizing some of those manufacturers that make everyday products that we use. Come join me on an informational video where we'll take a look at 70 manufacturers from the 570. At the end of the video, make sure you capture that email. Send us your picture using your favorite 570 area code manufacturer product, and you'll win a Made in the 570 t-shirt. Come on with me.